rural area and urban area. I'm supporting rural area. Rural area is beautiful for our nature and there are many fresh air. If you live village, you have not many problem like oxygen problem and if will you live city, there are many pollution and air pollution, many pollution. That's why rural area is best.
Good morning, everyone. I am going to the talk to urban area. And urban area is a very developed area because here every facilities are available. Just like traffics are very good and advanced hospital are situated here and multiple coachings we are provided a good knowledge for everyone and how many coachings are situated here and big parks are situated which is a help for grow for your journey and other way in the it is available for which and here crime is a very less because here police was very good and urban areas is a very developed and in the work proper technologies and is and our a part of the this and here is a situated multiples hospital which is a very advanced and everyone and easily to our treatment in very fast and here situated a big malls we just provided multiple things and we are not run for other cities and this is a very good for the urban areas.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Divyansh Patel, and today I'm supporting rural area. Uh, I think rural area is best because in rural area they are full of nature. In rural area there are many good environment. Uh, if if you live in city, you feel after a long time you have many problems like you if you in city you inhale dirty air because the air is very polluted because in city there is many vehicles run on roads, there is too pollution there and too noise problems. So I think city is too very disturbing. And in village I want to I'm also belong from a village area, so I want to live my village. I think it is best.
um, yeah, of course village is best but city is a very best because in a village is not available every s- everything and not take opportunity and not everyone grow up and every person are working every person are farmer and work in a field and so is a very disappointed for everyone because here student here her child was not grow in and not make our future career maintain and if you live in a city and you easily make our future and how many facilities are easily available but in village is not available every facilities and in a city every person enjoy your life easily because everything available just like playing a game to you go to the stadium temper other and how many online game centers are available and it's all about I think city.
My, my name is Zaina Fatma and we are supporting rural area. I think rural area is best for everyone. In COVID time, many people are living in city areas. But when COVID-19 arrived the corner, many people went back to home because village gives us best oxygen and best nature. When I went village, I feel good and in crime rate is very hard than village areas like rural areas many people are knowing you but you are living in city areas many people are you don't know no no don't know about you And in city areas, city is very expensive. Middle class can't purchase easily everything. Sir, you are telling about this mall. Mall is so expensive. A middle class person can't purchase. So I think village is better, and many villagers are growing the crops. After that, he comes city and purchase everything. Uh, if cities areas are living happy and achieve everything because of rural areas. Farmers are growing the crop. After the cities areas, people having and purchase it. So that's why rural areas is better than urban areas. In urban areas, many pollution. As you know about Britannia company. Many companies are here, and it's grow many pollution. And in cities areas, crowd is everywhere. If you can go in morning time school, you know is you can see it railway platform and bridge time. Anand Bhavan school. Much crowds are in morning time. But in village, you can't see any crowd, any pollution. So I think village is better than city. Thank you. My name is Zainab Khan. I am supporting urban areas because if you want to spend casual time and friend or family, so I think urban areas. So I think urban areas is time spend to time casual evening time friend or family. So it's city to uh, I think sir, you are thinking urban areas is better. Then? Yeah. So let me explain you. Okay. Now you said that urban areas have time spent family. Ma'am, time spent family. Yeah. You can spend your time in village. In village, you have many fields and many fields and many areas you spend. But in urban areas, you can't spend much time because of there are very crowd. I think. I think no. Explain, ma'am. Yeah, okay. I spend to urban is so I think I can speak in this.
I know about village is a very peaceful place, but villagers are to struggle for everything, like vegetables, educations, and other concerns. Villagers to struggle for everything. So you says in city there is many malls, many things, but I think the workers coming from the rural areas. If they do not come in for work, then what will the do? मतलब, I mean, how you can handle all things? And in village area, farmers grow their crops and many vegetables. And if they don't give their crops in city, then what will citizens do? They have to go in village. It's all about my point. But the urban area provides to multiple opportunities to improve your goals and family concern and choice your families, which every I yes, urban area is complete your desires
I think.
Yeah, I agree with you, sir. But food, food, clothes, and this is very essential for us. And they grow in village. If they not give you, farmers they not give you, then what will you do?
I know, but I think depend village are depend on village city, and city are depend on
No,
because
I think